You built a workflow, an order arrives, and 6 steps do their work. Then a second store starts sending you the same orders. So you duplicate the whole thing just to start it a second way. And now there are 2 of everything to maintain. There is a better way. One workflow can have more than one trigger. Open the workflow and look just below your trigger. There is a dashed box. Add new trigger. Click it. The app picker opens, the same one you use for any step. Choose anything that can start a workflow, webhooks, a schedule, a form. I will add a second webhook. And there it is. Your original trigger is now 1.1. The new one is 1.2. Both of them run into the same first action step. The settings open, and you pick a trigger event, exactly like any other trigger. There is also a notice here, and it explains the one rule that makes this work. Your action steps keep using the first trigger's data tags. Step 3 still reads webhook1.customer email. Nothing in the workflow changes, so this trigger's response has to arrive under those same keys. You tell FlowMattic how once. Open the Capture tab and capture a response for this trigger the way you always do. Below it, the multi-trigger workflow section lists every key from your first trigger. On the left, the first trigger's key. On the right, which key of this trigger fills it. The tokens look like this, trigger.orderID. And if both triggers already use the same names, click Auto Map Matching Keys. It fills every empty row in one go, and it leaves anything you typed yourself alone. That right-hand side is a text field, not just a dropdown. So if your first trigger wants one full name, and this one sends a first name and a last name, put both tokens in the same field. Static text works there too. One thing to remember, only the keys you map arrive. The map is the payload. And if the new trigger is a webhook, it gets its own URL. It is on the Configure tab. Send your data there, not to the first trigger's address. Save, and every trigger is live at the same time. Whichever one fires starts the run. FlowMattic converts its payload through your map, and the steps run unchanged. Task history tells you which one it was, via 1.2. One workflow. As many front doors as you need. Build the steps once. Add a trigger. Map it once.